In this video, we will be showing how to install and operate a Renogy battery monitor. To begin installing the battery monitor, you will need a shunt, a full battery, and some type of load and charger. Today, we are going to be using the Renogy DC-DC with MPPT charger and the Renogy inverter, as well as the proper wires for positive and negative connection wiring. Begin by connecting the B- terminal of the shunt to the negative port of the battery bank. Next, connect the negative terminals of all your loads to the P- terminal on the shunt. In this case, it's the negative terminal of the DC-DC with MPPT and the inverter. Lastly, connect all positive lines to your load directly to the positive line of the battery. In this case, we're connecting the positive terminal of the DC-DC with the MPPT and the inverter to the positive terminal of the battery. Take the provided wire and connect the lug end to the positive terminal of the battery. Then take the bare wire end and connect that to either of the two B+ terminals of the shunt. Once you've ensured the wires are connected to the correct polarity, connect the shielded wire to the port on the shunt and the port located behind the battery monitor LCD. Your battery monitor should turn on. Please note, if you want to extend the shielded wire, you must use 4 lines of the same specification. To start your monitor, you will need to calibrate the percent shown. To do so correctly, you will need to make sure your battery is completely full. With a full battery, hold down the up arrow button for approximately 3 seconds. This should display 100% when done correctly. Alternatively, you can start at 0% with a discharge battery by holding the down arrow for approximately 3 seconds, and the display should show 0% when done correctly. Please note, you will need to recalibrate when replacing your batteries. Use the up and down arrows to maneuver through the screen, and the double back arrow to go back to the previous screen. To go into the parameter settings, press the OK button for 3 seconds. You will see you're able to program the battery amp hour capacity. The high voltage disconnects, the low voltage disconnects, and an alarm feature for when the battery reaches a certain amp hour rating. To set the battery capacity, highlight CAP and press OK, by which the first number will flash. Use the up or down arrows to set the number to your battery capacity. Press OK again when finished to move on to the next decimal place. Once you've gone through to the end, the first number will highlight again, by which you press the double back arrow to get out of the program setting. Using the same controls, you can set the rest of the parameters and press double back arrow to go back to the home screen. You have successfully programmed your battery monitor and can check it at any time to observe your system charging status. We hope this video has helped you familiarize yourself with the Renogy battery monitor. For any other questions regarding the product, please give our support team a call. You can find our contact information below. Thank you for your purchase and have a wonderful day.